is the 2016 Pacific Pole Male Professional Champion, the 2016 National Aerial Pole Arts Male All-Star Champion, and like 10 more accolades. Like seriously, big fucking deal. I am so excited to be able to watch him live. I have been trying not to lose my shit and fangirl over him all night, so when you're done, it's on. Then you won't have to focus anymore. Are you ready for our last entertainer of the night? I know, it's only been like 2.5 hours. You have more than that. Are you ready to welcome out the last entertainer of the night, who is ready to entertain you? If you are ready, say, hell yeah! Hell yeah! If you love doing this, say, pole art! Pole art! Then let's get ready for the one and only Brian Wolf!
Put that on